My name is Nico Golondrina. I will be hosting the mock interview session for today. This session is recorded for quality or for training and quality purposes. I will be playing as your prospective client. So this is to prepare you to your future prospective client. The purpose of having the training is to get a good output, and getting a good output is for the trainees to have landed a perfect job for them. How are you today?
I'm good. A bit nervous.
Being nervous, it's kind of given. Don't worry, because after this session, I'm gonna give you a feedback on what went good, and for the challenges, or just a tip on how to ace your interview.
Kasi ngayon lang ulit ako na-interview after more than 10 years.
You were able to deliver
Sabi ko,
exactly.
okay yung Philam VA kasi binibigyan ng mock-up interview. Thank you very much po, Ma'am Nico.
When I saw this in the Facebook page,
Mhm.
sabi ko, ba, totoo kaya ito?
Our advantage here in Film VA, this is a live session.
Ano man yung ginaaralan mo. Pero hindi rin ako naniwala. Sabi ko, naku, scam siguro. Salamat din po sa time sa pag-correct.
Pwede mag-back out.
Andyan ka na, ma'am eh. Sayang naman yung kinilay mo. Konting smile mo lang, you'll get the client na.
Hello, good evening.
We just want to make sure that you'll have like a practice interview.
It's kind of interesting for me. So it's so amazing that our coach is very hands-on on us on our training. It's very intensive training, so everyone can understand. I can use it through Scam Advisor.
All right, so pretty much you do have like a strong resume. I hope that you learned something. Okay.
A lot more.
You're pretty much good na.
Okay. So, the strategy, I usually do the traditional strategy. Utilize that.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Tagalog, naubos na ako. Oh my God, nakaya ko siya. Thank you so much for this. Pero
Hindi naman.
nag-rely lang ako po lahat dun sa tinuro ni Coach Roy.
Always ready. I mean, always open 24/7, di ba? Ayun.
Opo, napaka-supportive nga.
Correct.
Anong
Correct.
ginagawa mo 5 a.m.? Nandali lang nagsusource ako.
All right. Can you tell me something about yourself and your past work experiences?
I know that with more experiences, I will be good at it also. Always
Okay.
check there before you continue your research.
You know how to express yourself. I think maybe because you're translating your thoughts, your Filipino thoughts into
Yes.
English. Because sometimes we're using yun, translation sa mind natin. Kaya ang nagiging result is yung direct translation instead of the English sentence. You can actually include Film VA's experience on your work experience.
Parang feeling ko online arbitrage ako magsisimula talaga.
This applicant really knows what she's doing.
Naliw ako
Sa?
sa kanya.
Kala ka sa akin din eh. Sa akin din maaliw ka. Inggitera ako eh. Ang galing ng ano man, ng feedback ha. I can see the sincerity sa pagsasabi nila ng ganun. Maganda yung feedback sa training, sa coach daw. Parang may narinig pa nga akong handsome ka. So parang
Ano?
na-misheard ko.
Hmm,
Kala ko handsome na yung sasabihin niya.
handsome.
Hands-on pala.
Handsome.